Hey there, today we're going to look at FieldPulse tutorial for beginners 2026. So let's get started. First open FieldPulse and log into your account. Over here, go to the dashboard and check your upcoming jobs and tasks. Then click on Customers, add a new customer, and enter their details. After that, go to Jobs, tap Create Job, and fill in the job information like date, time, and assigned team member. Over here, save the job and send the confirmation to the customer. Then open the job, add notes, upload photos, and track progress. After that, go to Estimates and Invoices, create a new estimate, add your line items, and save it. Over here, convert the estimate into an invoice, set the payment terms, and send it to your client. Then check the Payments tab to view received or pending payments. After that, open Team Management, add your team members, assign roles, and set permissions. Over here, go to Schedule, drag and drop jobs on the calendar, and organize your team's workflow. After that, open Settings, update your company details, manage integrations, and adjust your notification preferences. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.